hello guys. I am besides myself. I've just been nominated Best Adult Contemporary at the Summer's 30. I can't wait for the 2nd of November. I can't breathe. I'm talking now, but I can hardly breathe, guys. You pay me like a